How to connect Wi-Fi for W20. First, connect your phone with Wi-Fi. Then download the app, register and log in. Choose right server. Press plus button. Choose W20, then click Smart Link. Power on control panel, and long press Wi-Fi button and click Next.
Wi-Fi configuration. Enter the Wi-Fi password on the app.
And confirm the Wi-Fi that you want to connect and write the password. And click Next. Finally, wait patiently. When it shows Connect successfully, click Back to my device.
Panel AC cut off.
Let's test it. Home arm, diarm.
Home arm, disarm.
Thanks so much for trusting and supporting Hey. Contact us any problem.